Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw into your Microsoft Excel workbook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on one of your workbooks, and after that click on the A and pencil icon at the top of the screen. Tap on Insert in the middle and click on the third option, Draw. Here you can tap on or select from three options such as Select Objects, Lasso Select, or Start Inking. If you want to draw something at the drawing or indicate something with a pencil, then click on the last option and you can select from these tools down below. You can, after you have tabbed on the one equipment that you want to use or draw with, you can select formatting information such as color. You have these special inks as well down below, so as you draw you can see that it's a special color. There are gold, rose gold, and other options. These are basic pencils. As you can see, there is also a highlighter, so if you want to highlight some information you can use it. If you tap on it you can always change its color, whatever you prefer. If you want to get rid of something, tap on the first tool, which is the eraser. You can customize your eraser, such as a stroke, small, medium, or segment eraser. If you tap on a particular drawing, you will be able to get rid of it completely. If you click on this three dot icon, you will go back to this section where you can choose from these other options as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.